Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Ford Reliability Rating Breakdown. The Ford Reliability Rating is 3.5 out of 5.0, which ranks it 21st out of 32 for all car brands. This rating is based on an average across 345 unique models. The average annual repair cost for a Ford is $775, which means it has above average ownership costs.
Let's help you make your mark.
The average annual repair cost for a Ford is $775, which means it has above average ownership costs. The other factors that contribute to Ford reliability include an average of 0.3 visits to a repair shop per year and a 15% probability of a repair being severe.
Let's help you make your mark.
Ford stock has entered a free fall, touching 11-year lows. The company reported losses in Q4 earnings and was only able to pay dividends because of its financial arm. Steeply rising auto loan delinquencies and a weak industry outlook will push Ford Motor Company into bankruptcy. 2 March 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Ford trucks don't rust any faster than other manufacturers' trucks. Rust is caused by environment, use, neglect and chemical catalysts like road salt during winter weather. If the metal, steel or iron, is treated and sealed properly, no rust will form. If the paint or plating is damaged, then you will have rust.
Take our lead.
According to the J.D. Power Vehicle Reliability Survey, Toyota is ranked as more reliable than Ford. Toyota scored 5 out of 5 in reliability while Ford scored a measly 3 out of 5. Additionally, many Toyota models like the Tundra, Camry, and Avalon sold in the last decade are still on the road today. 18 May 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
When it comes to pickups, Ford bests Chevrolet in almost every category. Ford trucks ranked higher for safety, performance, reliability, and interior quality. But while Ford took the lead in most categories, Chevrolet didn't trail far behind in performance and fuel efficiency. 27 October 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.